Hey guys, it's me, Jasmine.
And I'm Katie.
And I'm Kelly. And we're here at Not Scary Farm.
Because we are going to be decorating a cake while monsters jump out and scare us. Why are we doing this?
I don't know.
Sounds like a good idea.
Not Scary Farm's executive pastry chef, Heather, has created a special cake for us here at Tasty. We're gonna try and replicate this cake in 3 different scare zones, each increasing in scare intensity.
And I'm here to take them through those scare zones and at the end, judge them to see how well they did replicating Heather's cake. You guys ready to see it?
Yeah. Is it really hard?
Yeah.
Nothing is going to scare me.
Me either.
I'll go get it.
All right.
Here we go.
Oh my God.
It's going to be very hard. This is a cool cake.
This is amazing. She did an awesome
Are
job.
you ready? This is going to be really hard. This is
Yeah.
very hard.
Well, good luck to us.
Heather has definitely given you a big boost. She made you the flowers. She shaped the skull, but the rest is you.
Should we go to the first scare zone?
I'm trying to find ways to delay it, but I guess we should just.
Let's just get in there.
The challenge begins here at Forsaken Lake, a watery grave with horrors and creatures that have been kept secret until now. Beware the gothic creatures preying on unsuspecting visitors.
All right, guys, here we are at our first scare zone, Forsaken Lake. You have 20 minutes. Let's go!
Like now? Okay. We need to start with the base. No one is scaring us. So this
Buttercream?
Is buttercream. I have buttercream.
Yeah,
Oh,
okay,
no,
yeah,
no.
yeah, yeah.
Is that it?
Yeah.
No, that's
What?
not it. We don't need-
I'm sorry, I ditched you.
Okay. All right. Yep. You want to add? You do that. I'm gonna do buttercream. You got it. Unwrap it. Jasmine, you what? Do we have a thing? Is that a thing?
I'm so sorry.
Okay. I am getting an MVP right now because you have left me here so many times. This is the biggest piping bag I have ever seen.
Oh my God.
This is just a crumb coat.
Yeah.
No one's gonna
That's
see it.
so much.
I don't know. It's a crumb coat.
Let me roll out the fondant. You do that.
Okay.
How do you open this?
This is the first scare zone and I'm already in tears.
How do you open this? The cake is falling apart.
Okay, we've got fondant. Oh my God. The cake is falling apart. There are lots of crumbs on this crumb coat. Okay, I feel like they gave us a break and I appreciate that. Do you need help?
Yeah.
You're trying to
Here.
roll too much at once.
It's not easy.
We look like we've never decorated a cake before.
You have 12 minutes left.
12 minutes? Okay, this
Okay.
fondant is nice and warm. Can I add this to you?
Yes, add it. That's not how you... We need to have a moment of zen.
Zen. This really isn't that bad, actually.
The cake?
Yeah.
What?
I know, it broke, man.
Honestly, I'm feeling more judged by the monster.
I know. They're scaring us and then telling us how bad we're doing.
Sir, what's up? My name is Katie.
Yeah, we just need to get this real big. They're gonna be what?
Nothing's there.
Okay.
Okay, that's good. All right, don't worry about the back. No
All right.
one ever has to see the bag. Okay, it's looking better. What do we need to do?
We need to take a break.
Does that stick? Does that stick?
Ooh, it's pretty.
No, it definitely doesn't stick. Okay, should we just spray with water?
Water!
Honestly, we've got to keep going. Okay, we'll do the airbrush spray.
Oh, it sprayed me.
I got it. Yep. Okay, great.
Turn it.
Turning it. Okay, we have to go to a whole other scary zone. I'm thinking this actually doesn't look so bad.
Lower.
I love you. Someone said they love us. Or are they talking to a monster?
There's
I
so
kind of
much-
like the sprinkles all around the bottom.
Yeah,
they kind
let's
of
leave
hide
it.
some stuff. So what's next? Okay, that's the back.
Okay, I think this is good.
That's Kelly!
Time is up.
Next scare zone?
Next scare zone.
Oh my God.
We're fine.
We're going.
In this round, Katie and Jasmine enter the Hollow, where witches and creepy critters have risen from the grave to terrorize the innocent souls.
All right, guys, we are at the Hollows. This is the second scare zone. This place is much scarier than the last place. This time you only have 15 minutes. Ready, set, go.
We're gonna drape the fondant over this skull cake, which Heather was really nice to make for us already.
I think get it really thin. What do you think? Because it's got to go around and show all like the divots.
So when you drape it over, I can start pressing it in.
Okay,
and stuff.
great. I feel like we're more in our groove here.
I prepared a sweat towel.
You have paint all over you.
Me?
Doesn't keep going! Oh, hello. She sounds like a cat. If you do it with them, it makes sense. We only have 15 minutes, guys. Give us a break.
It's fine. It's fine.
I can't. It's good.
What?
Should we just go?
Okay, are you ready?
Okay, just
Okay, press it in.
really hard.
Hold the skirt.
So how are you so focused? Can we just take a 2-minute break? Just give us 2 minutes. Just a little alone time. He's looking good.
Yeah, thanks to me.
This is like. You're really getting handsy with this skull.
How much time do we have?
You have 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
I broke the tool.
How did you break the tool?
Do eyes?
Ice. Okay, prepare the peanuts.
Peanuts. You gave it eyeshadow, and its nose is a little weird.
I did what I could. Hey, these teeth look really
I
good.
made it worse.
Switch.
Okay.
I'll start putting the teeth on.
What I like is when we have a knife, the monsters can't come. So we should just only do knife work. I feel like we could just start putting teeth in. What do you think?
1 sec. I need to do these little lines.
Okay, time to put in the teeth.
Oh my God, he needs
Cut nuts.
braces. What the heck is this?
It's a cut nut.
I need some better cut nuts.
5-minute warning.
You didn't cut these straight enough. Heather would not like these cut nuts. No!
How's these? Can you show me what this looks like? You want to give him a crack in his skull and I can
Okay,
break
yeah,
it down? Oh, no, mama. This doesn't really look, I think that is just
You know what? I think this is good.
think
I think we did better this round than the last.
Okay,
30 seconds.
we need to put it on the cake.
The wooden sticks.
He's going on with or without the sticks.
All right.
Okay,
Let's
ready?
put this. Yeah, I'm there. I think it looks good. It looks good.
Okay.
All right, guys. It's assembled.
In this final round, Katie and Jasmine head to the ghost town streets, where hordes of half-human, half-animal monsters inhabit the fog. Visibility is highly limited and the most terrifying of all the scare zones.
All right, guys, we are in our last scare zone. It is called Ghost Town Streets. You guys seem a little too cozy with those monsters last time, so I've asked them to amp up the scare factor to really scare you.
It sounds horrifying.
Well, good luck. This time you only have 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
10 minutes? I gotta get out of here. I'm scared. Ready?
Yes.
Go.
Okay, Jasmine, I'm gonna fix this.
I'm gonna spray paint these roses.
I feel like I'm less scared. I hear the vocals. Just keep going. We only have 10 minutes. Is this more drippy? I'm just gonna keep going and give it some bloody stuff here.
Look at my hands.
I think I ruined it. Look at it. I did. I ruined it.
This is good.
I'm gonna get it out of its eye.
You got it in its eye.
Oh, put a rose in its eye.
Yes.
Heather will like our artistic interpretation. Do you like it? Okay.
So
They
long.
go on the head, right?
No. The side.
I'm gonna put some on the
Okay.
head because honestly, his head needs some help.
I need some help.
Is this how it looks in the thing? We're not even trying. I don't think I've been breathing for a few hours. How's that? Is that looking right?
Oh, you're going that way?
I don't know.
Oh, I was gonna go this way.
Don't swear. What do you think of the cake? What if we just do roses all around?
I'm doing roses all around
Okay.
me.
Remember when you fell? Because I do.
You
Okay.
pushed me. She pushed me. I only fell because of Katie.
Cuddy, what
We need some.
Do you just cut the paper?
Look at that. Look at that.
Okay.
We're doing pretty good.
You have to tell
4
me
minute
something.
time warning.
4 minutes. We are sisters. Okay, this is my last flower.
Wait, how do I put this on? Is there plastic on the back? How does this
Yeah,
work?
it's a sticker. Oh man.
You know what?
You ruined my wire. I want to see if I can wipe up that thingy.
What thingy?
The thingy on the
What
note,
thingy?
his boogers.
What book?
His boogers.
This is endless. Okay, wait, are we
We done. We done.
We
We're
finished.
done. We finished. Yeah.
Nobody can stop us from making dreams come true. How many are behind us?
Okay, we're done. It's time for judgment. Oh my goodness.
All right, ladies, it is time to judge. But first, let's recap. I feel like the first round, you guys were super scared and I was afraid you weren't gonna make it through. You kind of had a comeback in scare zone 2. And then the third zone, because I amped up the scare, I'm surprised you guys still got it done, but those screams were insane. It is time to judge the cakes I'm very impressed with what you have done considering the circumstances. My first thought is, you don't have the same height that Heather had, but that's okay. You still have the same elements. I do think overall it encompasses the energy and aura of this cake. The teeth are a little jagged. I like how you guys didn't spray paint the roses all red, so it's like a depth of color. It's kind of like tie-dye. Overall, I cannot believe you guys accomplished this. Really great job, and thanks so much for having me.
Thank you so much to Heather who made this beautiful cake.
And good team.
Good team.
Good team.
Good job, guys.
Yes. If you guys liked this video, you are gonna wanna check out Tasty's Halloween special that's gonna be hosted by Martha Stewart, Snoop Dogg, and Tasty's very own Alvin.
Don't miss Snoop and Martha's Very Tasty Halloween premiering on Peacock. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Peace.
We did good. We did good.
We did well. I really wanna
Team
scare
huddle.
you guys.